Okay guys, we are going to do the week 12 weekly test. Most students didn't get this because they weren't at school. Some people did do it, but it was obvious that students didn't really study for it. So, if we take a look, I need to make sure that everyone can see this. I think so. Okay. So we've got a load of vocabulary words at the top. You should know these already, okay? So we've got broad, swan, stretch, saw, alike, skunk, swing, think, pancakes, beyond. Okay, and then number 1, it says, an eagle will something very high in the sky. It's tricky.
Fly.
They do fly, and another word for fly is
Swing. Stretch.
Soar.
Saw.
You have to use the vocabulary words
I
from
don't.
this. Okay. You don't. It's true. My students do know this, so they probably all said soar when they watched this video. So, let's enable editing. We can add that, okay? So, number 1, the answer is soar. Okay? Okay, number 2, the shop is just the shop is just the end of the street.
Is just beyond.
Beyond, very good. Good job.
Beyond the reef.
Okay, number 3. Okay, so number 3, a something is an animal that can smell bad.
A skunk.
Skunk. Very good.
I know, because skunks do make bad smell.
They do.
And they can make you smell forever.
Maybe not forever, but a long time. You should always something before you speak.
You should always raise your hand.
Maybe, but you should always
Think.
Very good. Okay. Sometimes I have something for breakfast.
I have.
So which one of these is food that you could eat?
Pancakes.
Very good. Pancakes. Oops, I forgot to bold it. Okay. The playground has many things, but I like the
Swing. I like the swing because when it's on a hot day and you swing around, it gives you a big ball of breeze that makes you very relaxing and
True.
not so hot.
So 7. In the morning, people usually something their body.
Stretch.
Yeah, stretch.
Oh, it's so hard.
It is hard because you haven't learned these words from before, but my students have. So they should know. So those children like the same things. They are almost the same.
They are alike.
Alike, yeah.
We are alike.
Alike. Okay? So now 9 and 10 are together. So, a something has very wings. So actually we only have 2 words left. One is swan, and one is broad.
A swan.
Yep, it must be.
Because a swan has wings. And I don't know what's a broad, so.
So broad is like wide, very thick, kind of.
A swan has a very
broad broad wings. Has very broad wings. Okay, guys, that is page 1 finished. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So all the answers are there. Okay, page 2. So it always has pictures and then vocabulary box at the top.
Oh, I know that.
That's Among Us. So as soon as you saw that one, I think we can do that now.
I made one of those.
Can I click it? It's not gonna let me click into there, I think.
But there's a flashlight right there next to the brown thingy.
But I needed to write under here.
T. Oh, look.
Okay, maybe it will let me do it. So, this one. If you have a house, you either rent it or you own it. So the answer to this one is own. Okay?
Mm-hmm. We have a rented house.
It won't let me put it on the line. So,
it's fine.
okay.
Skunk.
Number 2. It is skunk. Let me make that not capital.
That skunk is so cute, but I've seen uglier skunks.
There we go. It was difficult to do this on the laptop. Okay. What are those?
Stretch.
Yeah, stretch. School asked to make videos longer, so I can slow everything down and we can talk slower, okay? It's kind of silly.
Think.
Think. Good job.
Swan.
Where can I put this? No.
Swan Lake.
Okay, now I can do anything. Okay, swan.
I remember a song is called Swan Lake.
Yeah.
And it's supposed to be a ballet.
It is a ballet, not supposed to be. Okay.
And that is an eagle.
And the eagle is flying high. So when birds fly really high, we say they soar.
Soar through the sky.
Okay. So, there is a hill. And then there's another hill.
Broad.
That's not broad, that's beyond.
Beyond.
Yeah.
Because I thought you meant by long.
Okay, and the last one, we already said that at the beginning, so it's among. Not Among Us, just among. Okay? Okay, guys, so that is finished. Maybe I can make these words bigger. Yeah, okay, never mind. It's okay. My students should know the answers. So, reading comprehension. So, Ruby in her own time is an something story.
Is an interesting story.
You need to use A, B, or C.
Hero.
Animal fantasy. Romantic. Horror.
I don't know.
Okay. It's animal fantasy. You don't know that because you didn't do Ruby in her own time, but they did. Okay, the animals in Ruby in her own time can
talk.
Yeah. Talk. Okay, they're something. So were, where, we are.
Were. There were
Five eggs in the nest. Okay, you won't know this, I think. So we'll call them Rufus, Rory, Rosie, and
Donald.
The answer is Rebecca. Okay. Number 5. She will something, said Father Duck, in her own
time.
Ruby
in her own time.
Yeah.
The answer is that word.
Very good. Okay, guys. So we are finished with worksheet for the week 12. Okay? Okay, we will now do the week 13.
The week 13.
Okay, so let me close this one. We can save it. Okay, so week 13. This is what we just did, okay? This is the class pet. So you should know all the answers for this. Okay, enable editing. Okay, so vocabulary list. Classes, wishes, porch, short, thorn, car, glass, mice, pellets, torn. Yeah, very good. So number 1. The paper was
torn.
Yeah, very good. Torn into 2 pieces. Okay, number 2. The something are all online or video classes. Sorry, video lessons.
The class.
Yeah, I just gave you the answer. Oh my goodness.
I didn't hear.
So tired.
I thought it was just a pause.
The classes are all online or video lessons. But I said classes. Okay, number 3 and 4 are together. So pet something will normally eat something.
Pet mice.
Very good. So mice will normally eat. From this vocabulary list.
Eat thorn.
Nope.
Pellets.
Good job. We made that a capital. We shouldn't make it a capital. Okay. People make something when they have a birthday.
A cake.
No, from this list.
Make a wish.
Yes.
I thought you were saying arigato.
So people make wishes when they have a birthday. Okay, number 6. The family sat on the watching the sky. From the story.
From the porch.
Porch, yeah. So Juno's house had a porch. Okay, number 7. So the boy was something compared to the girl next to him.
Was different. No.
Vocabulary words from this box only.
Was short.
Short, very good. Okay. 8. You can use a something to drink orange juice.
A glass.
Yes. Very good.
My glasses are glass.
Okay. So we only have a few words left. Okay? Ready? So we've got thorn and car.
Thorn and car.
So 9. There's something on the plant cut her finger.
Thorn.
Thorn. Very good. And people with a
car.
Good job. Yay. Okay. That's the vocabulary comprehension finished. Okay, guys? Let me just show you one more time. Okay. We're now on the picture part with vocabulary words. So the first word
is fast. Is, let me see.
These are the vocabulary words. So we have car, glass, core, torn, classes, pellets, buses, away.
Away.
Away, very good. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
What did you do to it?
Because I'm trying to write over that, but it won't let me. Okay, I do it down here. So away is the first word. Okay, next word
is classes.
Classes. Good job. This over. So away.
Core.
Yeah, very good. You remembered.
Why do you need to do that?
Put it under the picture. Core. C-O-R-E.
The core of the plant.
Good job.
Glass.
Glass.
I was going to say water.
Okay, where can
Buses.
I put the words here? Oh my goodness.
What did you just
Let
do?
me try from here. There we go. It's better. Okay. So first word is
buses.
Buses. This is very difficult. And it's made the B big again. It's so much easier to teach when you're at school. Okay. What are they?
Pellets.
Pellets. Good job.
Our rabbit eats pellets.
It's true. And seeds. And sticks. And grass. Okay.
Torn.
Torn. Very good.
Some people that are angry. Sometimes teachers are horrible and they just tore someone's paper because it's a bad something. I've seen someone rip the 3-8 class teacher. He torn someone's paper because they did it all wrong and torn and dropped it all over the floor and said, "Clean that up yourself."
Yeah, you tell me if he does that to your paper, okay? It's horrible. So last one
is car.
Car. Very good. Okay, we are finished with the vocabulary words for the pictures. Okay, we are now on circle and write. So you guys can circle, but I can't do that, I don't think. You can just write. So, number 1.
The class pet is mouse.
A, B, or C. Expository, fantasy, fictional.
Expository.
Very good. Expository. Good.
What's expository?
Basically, it's like facts. So you know when we watch like the animal program we watched earlier,
and it tells us about facts about animals.
Tells us the facts of the animals. So that's expository.
Like butterflies sometimes can have colourful wings and camouflaged wings.
Yeah, very good. Okay, the class pet was written by
that.
It is that one. So it is B. Nicola L. Shields.
I forgot his name, but I just remembered the L.
It's actually a lady who wrote it.
I don't.
But hopefully my students will remember it's the L. Shields, not I or T. Okay. Number 3 is tricky. So the teacher is called Mr. Ford, Miss Ford, Miss Ford. But Miss Ford and Miss Ford are spelled different. So is it M-I-S-S or M-S?
M-S.
It is not. It is Miss Ford.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
Too tricky.
Do you know the difference?
Yes.
Okay, so when it's M-I-S-S, it means they are not married. If it's M-S, it means they don't want people to know if they're married or not. Mr. is just guys, men. And then M-R-S, Mrs., means married. Okay? So, number 4. The class name the first mouse, Rory, Dory, or Corey.
Dory.
Corey.
Corey. Sorry. I got Dory and Corey messed up. Scribbled in my head.
Is it Corey?
It's Dory.
Maybe you're right. Now I'm confused. Let me get the book. Oh my goodness. Super tired. Okay.
I woke up at 7 and made you
Our
coffee.
students will be laughing.
I know how to make coffees.
Aha! You are right.
See?
Dory is first. So the class named the first mouse Dory, not Corey.
See?
Oops. Teacher. Oh dear.
And the fifth one, which is the last question.
So Miss Ford tells the class that mice like friends, fiends, or fries.
Friends, not fries. They don't eat fries. And friends, I don't know what friends is.
Fiends, they're like demons, like
Oh.
bad guys. Fries are like French fries.
I like French fries.
Okay, guys, so we're finished with the reading comprehension from the story. Thank you to my daughter for correcting me, because I'm so tired. So the first mouse is called Dory, not Corey. So the second mouse, the new one, is called Corey.
And the story doesn't say Rory.
It doesn't say Rory, but actually Rory's from the other story they did before. He's one of the ducks. So I was trying to trick my students, and then I forgot which one was which. Okay, so that's the week 13 test finished, guys. I'll load the next video. It won't be a test, it will be the new vocabulary words for week 14. Okay? Bye for now.